Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the mushroom lantern in Fish Eat Roblox. This one's in here. So if you want to have this cute lantern for your avatar in Fish Eat, here I'm going to show you the exact hidden location and the quest steps you need to unlock this glowing accessory. So first you just need to go to the ancient jungle, and once you're in the jungle you can just find the mushroom NPC. So from the dock you can just go left and you'll see the forager Jen. So just talk to her, and in here you can just start the quest by talking to her. So you'll be asked to search or find some around 30 mushroom around the jungle, and once you have all the mushroom you can just go back to Jan, and after that you'll get the mushroom lantern as the rewards. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button.